This has changed how I make videos, and I need you to see this. I gave it one note, just one, and it figured out what that meant for every shot in my project. It reasoned through which scenes were affected, rebuilt the character on its own, and proposed new framing for shots I had not even thought about yet. One note, and it thought through the entire project for me. This is InVideo Agent 1, and if you work with AI video tools, you need to see what this does. Let me walk you through it. If you have ever tried serious filmmaking using AI, you already know the frustration I am about to describe. I had this project, a short film concept I was excited about. I spent a full afternoon setting up the characters, describing the world, getting the visual tone right. First shot looked incredible, exactly what I had in my head. And then I moved to the second shot. Different face, different lighting, like the AI had no idea what I was making. So I re-described everything, got the second shot close enough, moved to the third. Same thing. By the end of the day, I had spent 5 hours managing the AI, and I had maybe 40 seconds of usable footage, and none of it was consistent. And the worst part, when I wanted to change one creative decision, just the time of day, from afternoon to golden hour, I had to go back through every single shot and redo it manually, one by one, re-describing the same character, re-explaining the same world. The AI could not figure out that changing the time of day affects lighting, shadows, and color. It had no understanding of what I was making. Every instruction was processed in isolation. I was not making a film. I was managing a tool that had zero understanding of my project. That is the problem, and I think most of you watching this have felt it. So let me show you what actually changed for me. This is InVideo Agent 1. You will find the access link in the description. Before I show you the interface, here is what makes this different. It is not better image quality or a newer model. The difference is that this AI actually thinks about your project. You upload your idea, your script, your treatment. You define your characters and your world. And from that point, Agent 1 is not just storing information. It is actively reasoning about it. When you give a direction, it analyzes what it means for every part of your production. It figures out which shots are affected, which characters are involved, and what the visual implications are. It is thinking like a creative partner, not executing like a machine. On a real set, you do not want someone who just repeats instructions. You want someone who thinks ahead, who sees implications before you say them, who brings ideas you had not considered. That is what Agent 1 does. It brainstorms with you. It makes creative judgments. Let me show you. I am going to build a project from scratch so you can see the workflow. I will start by uploading my treatment. Watch what happens. I upload a rough document. The agent does not just store it. It analyzes it, identifies characters, breaks down the visual world, understands the tone, and proposes where to start. It comes back with a plan. I did not label anything. I did not structure anything. It read the project and thought about it. Now I start directing. I give it a creative direction in plain language. No technical prompts, just intent. And instead of executing one result, it brainstorms. It comes back with multiple approaches, different interpretations of what I asked for. It suggests ideas I had not thought of. Sometimes one of them is better than what I had in mind. That is not a generation tool. That is a creative partner. And then something even more interesting starts happening. It begins contributing. It suggests lens choices. It picks models. It proposes creative directions I did not ask for. It might say something like an anamorphic lens would better match the tone, or that a tighter frame would improve tension. I did not ask for that. It is reading the project and making decisions based on it. Every few steps, it pushes ideas forward. It is not just following me, it is thinking with me, and that intelligence builds over time. The more I work with it, the more it understands the project as a whole. Every decision is placed in context of everything that came before. Now here is the moment that changed everything for me. I say 5 words. Change the costume to black, that is it, and watch what it does. It understands this affects the entire project. It identifies all the scenes where the character appears. It decides the character sheet needs to be rebuilt first. Then it updates every affected shot in order, and then it executes it all. I did not map anything. I did not plan anything. It figured it out. That is not memory. That is reasoning. And then another moment. I say I do not like the lens flare. No technical detail. Just a feeling. And it comes back with options. Different lens styles. Different cinematic looks. It explains what each one does and lets me compare them side by side. It turned a vague feeling into professional choices. That is what I mean when I say it understands intent, not just instruction. And when you watch the final sequence, what stands out is consistency. Same character, same world, same visual language across every shot. Not because it copied settings, because it understood the creative direction and maintained it. I started this saying, I wasted 5 hours for 40 seconds of footage, constantly fixing inconsistencies, rewriting prompts, fighting with tools that did not understand the project. Today, I built a full sequence in one afternoon, and the difference was not speed, it was intelligence. I had a creative partner that thought with me. When I changed one detail, it understood the ripple effect. When I gave feedback, it understood why, not just what. That is the shift. I was babysitting tools. Now I am directing something that thinks, and I am not going back. If you want to try, go to invideo.ai and switch to agent mode. Upload your script, your idea, your treatment, and start directing. The agent analyzes everything, and you build from there. If you are a filmmaker or serious creative, this is worth your time. Try InVideo Agent 1. Link is in the description. If you found this helpful, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one.